Hey guys, what's going on? Rohan with you, and today I'm making this very special video to talk to you about this product called Profit Vortex. Okay, I'm very excited to make this video because honestly, it's one of the latest methods that I've implemented, and I've been making money out of it from absolutely free traffic. So the title of this product actually is earn $2,000 to $3,000 per day while building an email list for free. Now, I know 2 to 3K per day is a lot of money. I'm obviously not making that right now, but the creator of this product, Mr. Wayne Crow, who's also my mentor, he is making this kind of money per day, which, when I take you to the sales page, I'll show you his proof of payments. And also, I know him personally. I know his students also personally, and his students are making this kind of money as well. So I know again, it might seem like a lot of money per day, and it might, suggest that, oh my God, this is like, does this actually work, and is this really true? But trust me, it is true, and I'll show you my own proof as well, how such a system can be implemented and then scaled, to make this kind of money. Now, usually when a lot of products come out, a lot of people make reviews, right? So this is not a review. Okay, if you want to get a review on this, you can easily just go to YouTube and find one. But I like this product so much, and it is honestly it's a skill that will make you stand out in the internet marketing space. That's why I have made this product and made this video and titled it as strategy and implementation, because my only goal from this video is to help you implement this system in the fastest way possible and get running with it so that you can make money. So that's why I have titled this as strategy and implementation. Okay, so I'll give you some details right now about Profit Vortex. Okay, my ideas behind it, and then we'll go through the sales page and stuff. All right, so what exactly is Profit Vortex? All right, so Profit Vortex is a very clever system that helps you build a massive email list for free. So, and then if you're building a massive email list for free, obviously you're going to advertise your affiliate offers. There's no other reason for building a massive email list, right? And and then basically you will start earning affiliate commissions. So the goal of this system is to help you build a massive email list using free traffic, okay, and thus leverage this free traffic to advertise your affiliate offers to make affiliate commissions. Okay, and now please note something that I have written down here is that this method is not openly taught, and if so, then it would cost 4 figures at least. Honestly, this system, okay, is very clever and very intuitive. Okay, and basically, it's not a lot of people know about this. That's why I was surprised when I saw this product actually, because it kind of teaches you secrets that other people will not want you to know. So that's one very important thing. And the second thing is that those people who do teach this method, they charge very high fees for this kind of coaching. you know so I know of people who are charging for coaching to teach you this method, but over here it's available for you for only $8. It's really incredible. All right, so moving on, I just want to simplify and show you what Profit Vortex is all about in just one sentence, which is, it's a system, obviously. So this system sits in the middle, right? And you send clicks in to the system where you capture your subscribers. That way, advertising your affiliate offers and sending them to your email automation. And the same system helps redirect these clicks out. Okay, so that's how you actually get your free traffic, which is basically you exchange clicks with people. The clicks come in, you sit in the middle showing your affiliate offers and collecting email subscribers, and you redirect the clicks to other people. That way you're able to get free traffic. Okay, this is the basic secret from this particular product. Okay, so moving on, what would you need to implement this? Now, this is just my recommendations because this is what I'm using, and there are certain reasons behind it which I'll let you know. But obviously you can use whatever softwares that are out there to manage these functions. So the first one is link trackers and rotators. For that, I'm using QLiker. Now, I was actually a big fan of, I still am a big fan of ClickMagick, but this system will not work well with ClickMagick because it will give you the warning of, open funnel, unlimited funnels, right? So that's why I'm using QLiker. Okay, and you can start off with QLiker at $8 per month. Okay. Um, Now there are again other link trackers that you can use, but I'm using QLiker. Okay. Now for email marketing, I'm using Aweber. I think this is pretty much a no-brainer. Everybody knows what are the best email marketing softwares out there, and we know that Aweber is one of the best. That's easy to say. And landing page builder, I'm using InstaBuilder. Now I'm using InstaBuilder because honestly, it's very simple to implement. Okay, very simple to use, and for 77, sorry, this says 77 per month, but it's actually $77 as a one-time fee. Okay, so let me correct that, live. So $77 one-time fee. Okay, and why I would say that, why I would suggest InstaBuilder is because unlike some other softwares, you're not charged on the amount of clicks coming through to your pages. Right? There are some softwares where the more clicks you generate on your pages, the more you will be charged. So InstaBuilder is not like that. And honestly, it's very simple to use. So honestly, I will be able to help you better to implement the system if you need my help. And if you use the same softwares. Okay, because there are some secrets and some tweaks that you can use in the system to better implement this strategy to obviously help you make more money. That I have implemented in InstaBuilder. So if you're using the same one, I can help you implement the same. Okay, but obviously you can use any software you want for building your landing pages. Okay, and obviously you will need affiliate networks from where you can get offers that you can promote for free. Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and stuff like that. All right. Now, as a bonus for using my links to purchase Profit Vortex, and if you want to use the same softwares as I am, then that would be great as well. I would appreciate that. But in return, I can help you personally, one-to-one. Okay, I have a Facebook group where I interact with a lot of people, and for me, Profit Vortex is now the hot topic because the product is excellent, and I'll show you my feedback as well that I posted on there. Okay, and also why this is important is because the Profit Vortex, which is a PDF actually, it doesn't go into details with a lot of things. You'll be able to implement the system, but there are few tweaks and few strategies that I have learned which I can share with you that can help you make money within a week actually, which is the same way I did. Okay, so I can share that with you. I can also share free group support. This is my mentors group actually, where he's providing him and his team actually is providing support to all Profit Vortex purchasers, customers. So I can share that with you as well. Also, email marketing is a big aspect of this product. So I can share with you a free 30-day high open rate email sequence that I have. I can share that with you. And also I can recommend a list of offers and networks from where you can get high converting offers that honestly are not known to a lot of people right now. Okay, so I can share this with you as well. So for all this information and to get in touch with me and to get your bonuses, okay, you can find the links and contact details below this video. Okay, so now that we have completed this, let's go to the sales page of this particular product. Okay, so here's the sales page of Profit Vortex. Okay, so it says bank 2 to 3K per day into PayPal without ever relying on JV or affiliate traffic. Okay, which I've already explained to you how this works, right? So you don't need to depend on any of that traffic. Okay, you don't need to know any complicated skills, no spending thousands of dollars, and no product creation required. Again, I've explained this to you so you can understand now that you don't need to do all these things. Okay, and it is true, this is unlike anything you've seen before, because again, a lot of internet marketers don't want you to know this strategy. So, please do take advantage. the fact that it is available. Okay. Perfect for newcomers, definitely true. I'm a classic example. No product or videos required. So a lot of internet marketers actually don't like to get in front of the camera. They don't want to sell to people. They don't want to interact with people. This product, this product is amazing for that because you don't need to do any of those things. You just exchange clicks, build your email list, and send out offers via email to make commissions. It's as simple as that. Okay. And check this out, guys. This product is only $8. Okay. It's still in the early bird price. This product was launched on November 20th. So it's about 6 weeks in now. Okay. I implemented this product from like mid-December onwards. So I have 2 weeks worth of results that I'll share with you after we go through this. So it's regularly priced at $27, but it's $8 at the moment. So please do take advantage of this. All right, guys. And there are obviously various upsells. If you want to buy those which will be beneficial to you anyway in the long run, you can. If you don't want to also, you don't have to. It's completely up to you. Okay. So a lot of famous people have given their feedback. Okay. And here are the product creators: Bill Hugel, Simple Spencer, and Wayne Crow. So, this is not a biased video. Okay. I am a student of Wayne Crow. Okay. But honestly, I have implemented this product and I have been getting results out of it. So there's no reason for me to be biased just because I'm a student. I'm getting results, I'm making money. So, that's my personal review on it anyway. Okay. And this is proof of Wayne's PayPal account. He made $767K last year only by this method. And I have verified this with him. Obviously, I'm his student, so I know exactly what he's talking about. And this is one of his other students as well. Like, I know who this person is also. So this is not made up. Okay, it's true results. This really works. Okay. As you can see, honestly, this method and system belongs to a 297 or 497 course, and coaching will cost you extra. So really, it's amazing how this product is being offered only for $8. So please take advantage of it. Okay, there are a ton of bonuses also that are available through this when you purchase it. So please go through it. Okay, the link for this product is there in my video's description below. All right, so don't miss it. And now quickly, let me show you my post that I made about this. I have a group where, I interact with people, and if you also come on here, we can interact and I can help you implement the system for free. And this is a post that I made 3 days ago. Okay. And I was talking about it while I was, implementing it myself. It took me about a couple of weeks to implement this entire system. Okay. So this is my results from just 2 weeks of implementing. Okay. And also I was running the system while I was on a holiday. Okay. So it's not like I was actively doing this on a daily basis. So this basically what that means is the system is running in the background. I don't even need to, interact with the system on a daily basis. But in about 2 weeks, I added 536 subscribers, made about 3 sales totaling to about $106. And honestly, this is without any optimization at all. An $8 product helped me make over $100 in 2 weeks without any optimization, guys. That is the most important part. So as you can recognize, this is A Weber, 536 subscribers. This is from Warrior Plus. This is like one product that sold a couple of times. Okay, and this is one of the secret, not so well known affiliate networks where I made one sale of $85 from 9 clicks on a particular day. So that's an EPC of almost $10, guys. So that's pretty crazy. So I can share all these details with you, personally once we get in touch. So what you can do right now is basically purchase the product. Guys, it's only $8. Literally, that's a price of like a burger or a coffee or something. Just purchase it. If you don't plan to implement it now, maybe you will later. Okay, get in touch with me. I'll leave my email, my Facebook profile, and my group links all below. Okay, and once you get in touch with me, I can give you all my other bonuses and help you implement the system so that you can get up and running immediately. That's my only goal for you. Okay, that I want to help you achieve so that you can take advantage of this product while it's available in its early bird price of $8. So please don't miss it, guys. Purchase the product and get in touch with me. All right, see you.